Cogent Solutions is a global organization dedicated to providing the medical community with health-based solutions. Solutions that are backed by evidence-based medicine with clear, concise clinical foundation and clinical data. One of our primary products is the Zerona Laser. It is the first and only device in aesthetic medicine that is FDA cleared for non-invasive body contouring of the waist, hips, thighs, and we also have a new device that it was just FDA cleared for the treatment of upper arms, and that is our Zerona AD device. These technologies utilize low-level laser therapy that operates under the principles of photochemistry. Essentially, we use a specific and discrete wavelength and pattern of light that affects enlarged fat cells, and it is that enlarged fat cell that ultimately results in one's appearance of being overweight or obese. By stimulating that cell, we create transitory pores or temporary openings within the protective barrier of that fat cell. Once those pores are created, the fat then liberates from the cell, causing that once voluminous cell to collapse down to a lean state. The end result is through this mechanism, without heat, without inducing cell death, the patient receiving 6 total treatments in 2 weeks will lose, based on our clinical averages, of 3.5 inches. Our suggested protocol, based on our FDA clinical trial, which was placebo-controlled, randomized, double-blinded, multi-centered, was a 2-week treatment regimen. We treated every other day, for instance, Monday, Wednesday, Friday the first week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday the second week. Each treatment consisted of 40 total minutes. That's 20 minutes of anterior stimulation and an additional treatment of 20 minutes for the posterior aspect of the patient. And so in 40 minutes, we're able to get a full 360-degree treatment of that patient. And by that second week, we were able to observe that average reduction of 3.5 inches collectively off the waist, hips, and thighs, which was a reduction that was determined statistically significant as well as subjectively significant based on patient satisfaction questionnaires. The device is unique in its design, as well as the Zerona AD, which is the smaller device that's been FDA cleared to reduce the circumference of the upper arms. But in their unique design comes exceptional versatility. The device is there to treat a broad patient base, the individuals that are normal weight to overweight, or those individuals that are entering into the obese category. Each device possesses 4 flexible arms that are capable of focusing in on a larger area or a more targeted region, such as the flanks or waist only. So the design of the device is there to meet the broad and diverse patient base that you will encounter. The technicians can simply target the anatomical area. Once the device has been properly set up and activated, he or she can exit the room. Therefore, the patient, who perhaps has developed negative anxiety concerning their body image, has the treatment now in the privacy and comfort of the room. Additionally, this device has no reported adverse events within any of our clinical trials. So what that means for the patient is a safe and effective treatment with no risk of neuralgia, erythema, or other common side effects with these more aggressive and invasive procedures. We have in-house dedicated training consultants. They are a dedicated resource providing you with unlimited training to ensure that this device is properly serving your patient base. Accordingly, we start off with an initial training that is approximately 6 to 8 hours in-house, where we go over the material for implementation, also consultation recommendations, phone call skills, so that you ascertain the necessary skills to articulate to prospective clients the importance and effectiveness of this technology. We have a fantastic educational platform at zeronasuccess.com. Zeronasuccess.com will give you the opportunity to learn more about this procedure, review patient testimonies, see some of the Zerona commercials. Additionally, we have findzerona.com. So if you're eager to speak to a Zerona provider today, findzerona.com is where you can type in your zip code and learn what clinicians are close by that utilize this device.